This 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD is brought to you by Kaler Auto Sales. Please check our Google reviews, everyone approved regardless of credit history. When all the others say no, we say yes. No credit, bad credit, okay, and damn, first-time buyers welcome. Lowest prices on the internet. All of our vehicles are inspected before we offer them for sale. We are conveniently located 5 minutes from I-95 in the heart of Fort Lauderdale, Oakland Park, Wilton Manors. Minimum down payments required. Check out our website at www.coloradosales.net or call 954-524-0400. I would describe the exterior condition as clean. Clean interior, actual miles. The transmission shifts smoothly. This is a very nice previously owned vehicle. Visit us at coloradosales.com.